Okay, let's open Excel test exp3, and then we want to go into the file menu, save as, and rename it XLX working 4, and then we want to right click on B26 and select add watch, and now select cell B7 and enter 5 million. And we'll see the change there. And now click undo. And let's close the watch window and click in cell B26 again, and let's go to the tools menu and select Goal Seek. And first of all, let's verify that the set cell box has B26 in, and let's type 6.5 million in the to value and click in the by changing cell box, and then click in B6 and then click OK and OK. And now let's click the undo button to restore the original values. And let's go to the tools menu and check the solver add-in and OK. And let's go to the tools menu and solver, and we want to have the target cell set to B26 and click in the value of, and let's type 6.5 million and click in the by changing cells box and click on B7 and then hold the control key down and click on B10, B11 and B18, and then click the solve button, and now click the restore original values box and OK. And now let's go to the tools menu and solver, and the previous entries are displayed. Let's click add and click on B18 and select greater than or equal to, and let's type in 10,400,000 and click add, and then click in B10 and again select greater than or equal to, and let's type 22,900,000 and click OK and click solve and OK. Now select cells A6 to B26 and let's go to the insert menu and select name and create, and verify that the left column checkbox is selected, and then click OK. And then let's go to the tools menu and select scenarios once we find it, and let's click add, and in the scenario name box let's type 2002 totals and then press the tab key, and we want to select cells. Let's click on B6 and hold the control key down and click B7, B10, B11 and B16, and then click OK. and OK, and close. And now let's go through this again. Tools menu, scenarios, and click add. We could have done this without closing that box, but gives you practice. Let's type 2003 low costs in there and click OK. And now double clicking the third box in the scenarios values dialog box and type in 21 million, and then tab and type in 2,200,000 in the fourth box, and then we'll click the OK button, and then we'll click add and type in 2003 high sales as the new scenario name, and OK. And we want to type in 70 million in the first box and 27 million in the third box. And click OK and close. And now let's go to the tools menu again and scenarios. Why did we close? Let's select 2003 high sales and click show and close. Now let's open it again. Tools, scenarios, and click summary. And verify that the scenario summary option button is selected in the scenario summary dialog box, and the result cells read B26, and click OK. And then let's go back to the budget planner tab and go to the tools menu, scenarios, select 2003 low cost and click delete and close. And we can close the spreadsheet and save it.